now. My wife had called in here. I took a phone call, and then I lost my. I guess I lost my volume for a little bit. So right now, I am just watching SoFi maintain this price and hold over 730, which I love. And I am back. Hopefully, you guys can hear me now. I do not see my chat. Welcome to live chat. Hopefully, you can hear me again. Sorry, don't know what happened, but it happens from time to time. And I want to thank you for being here with me as we are going to close out the day here. We've got about 15 minutes left to watch and see what SoFi does. Hopefully, you got volume now, right? Everybody can hear me, I hope. And I do not see any of the chat down here yet. Let me go down here, top chat. All right, and go down here, super chat, live chat. All messages can be seen. Welcome to live chat, everybody. Hopefully you can hear me again. Sorry that I got kicked off. I guess it was just taking that phone call, and it ruined the volume from then on. Oh, yeah. All right, Muhammad, I'm here. Harshamino, hey there. Jared Heron, Unsberger, you suck. Yep, it's on. Yep, Jeff Presley, yes. Thank you for the notification. I suck at what I do. Well, I can't take phone calls, that's for sure. When someone calls in, I just can't do it. I'm gonna have to get another phone. I'm gonna have to get a cheapy phone. I'm gonna have to get a throwaway. Oh, they're available. I'll get one. Oh yeah, yeah. Jared Hunsberger, you suck. Thank you very much for letting me know how bad I am at making money. Yeah, baby. We make a lot of money. We have to. We have to. We have to make a lot of money off of stocks like this when ours aren't running. And that would be this one here, would be one we made a fortune off of today, GENI. Congratulations, everybody who is owners of that. And look what it's doing at the end of the day today. Boom, off to the races, folks. Looks great. Goodbye there, wasn't it? How about DraftKings? Got to feel good about our profits on this one, baby. Thank you. Thank you, Double K. Double K's been telling us about this for a long time while this chart has been going up and up and up. He told us about it way back here, folks, back in January. Yep. All right. Moving on. Moving on. Some of these are not running up, but man, some of them have done well. PLTR, nice move again today. Holding that one forever. Shopify, been holding this one forever. We'll continue to hold it. Very nice. SoFi. Oh, we're coming in here, folks. We got 15 minutes left on the day. We got to check a couple of things here. Where is our volume level today on this right now? Very low compared to usual. Only seeing right now, where are we? 26 million. Oh, and look at the high today. Oh, my goodness gracious. A 16-cent increase on the high to 746. Nice. The last time I only saw an 11-cent increase from 735 to 746. This time a 16-cent gain. Nice. That looks good. Bye-bye, Jared. Have a good one. Go make yourself a bunch of money, but don't do it on SoFi shorting it because that's just going to cost you. Nice to see you were here with so much enthusiasm. He says I suck because he's losing money on SoFi, and he doesn't want me here, folks, telling you about it. He doesn't want you to know. Bye-bye, Jared. Au revoir, my friend Jared. Good luck. Good luck to you, my friend. Good luck to you. You're going to need it. Now we are going over here to check out this price, and if we have the German-speaking Dutchman today, we will talk to you like this, and hopefully you have a good time with me. Somebody asked me earlier to do some Dutch. So I was doing my Chinese and they asked me to do Dutch instead. So I can speak English. uh, oh, yeah, we're watching SoFi and we're looking at this chart right here. And we like what we see. 10-day moving average rising. Right up here we go into the close. Let's get on over here to the 1 day and check it out more close up. Get over here and oh my gosh, what in the world is happening here, folks? What going on? Well, I've been George. I see myself a 92,000 share buy right there. Goodness gracious. And look at that thing going on off there. She's jerking. Oh my goodness gracious. She's jerking right now. I think so. Yeah. Sure enough, looks like it. She's jerking. She done did the herking, and now it's time for the jerking. Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. There's your jerk right there. Woo! Shit. Oh, yes, everybody. Stick with me now. For those of you joining in here new to this channel, I'm going to bring it. And I don't let up. SoFi has been herked and jerked all the way since the price was up to $28 a share way back in the beginning. And they have herked this thing and jerked it and herked it and jerked it and herked and jerked, herked and jerked, herked, jerked, herked, jerked, herked and jerked, herked and jerked, repeatedly herking and jerking. That's what they've done. And they herked it and jerked it all the way down to this point where things started turning around. And they weren't herk and jerk anymore. They became jerk and herk. And then it jerked. And then it herked. And then it jerked. And then it herked. And then it jerked. Right? And then it herked. And it jerked again. And then it herked and jerked and herked and jerked and herked and jerked and herked and jerked. Whoa, earnings call coming out. Herked it, jerked it, herked it, jerked it, herked it, jerked it, herked it, jerked it. Get in here tight. Because, folks, it gets in here real tight like this. And what happens is you got a big time, and it's very clear. Herk, jerk. Yep. Herk, jerk, off. Herk, jerk, jerking, off. Herk, jerk, herking, jerking, off. Herk, jerk, herking, jerking, off. Okay, that's what I see. I could be wrong, but I don't think so. Yeah, you can see it right there now. Look at that thing jerking right off there. Do you guys see that? I mean, it's as clear as the nose on your face. It couldn't be any more visible than that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, goodness gracious sakes alive. We got nobody wants to say anything anymore. They're just watching and hopefully continuing to be entertained through this afternoon. And I'm telling you, look at this thing. Look at this thing today. Look at this stock price today. Here you are today. This goes way over here, 4:15 in the morning. Okay, I'm showing you the 4:15 in the morning. Look what happened to the price at 4:15 in the morning. Look where it has been. Look at that. 4:15 in the morning, folks. All through 5 o'clock. Driving it down all the way right here before the earnings, right before the opening. Look where they drove it down to, 7:30, people. That's where we closed yesterday, 7:30. Wasn't it? I think it was. At any rate, I know that number means something to them. That number means something, and they want to get it back there again, and they can't do it now. They just can't manage it. It's going to make a 10-cent gain on them today, and that's got to be humiliating for them. I mean, that's got to be freaking unbelievably humiliating for them. In my opinion, it would be, and I'd be worried, man. I'd be worried if I saw that chart I'm showing you right now. I'd be like, oh God, this thing's fixing to jerk off all over this thing's fixing to explode. I mean, like here, you see that pair right there, right? Hold on, folks. I'm going to get back to this 6 month because that's where I want you to focus. I want you to focus on this 6 month chart. I do not want you to look at the daily grind. I want you to look at this chart, folks. Jay, selling at 9. I'm at 7:45 and holding for the fireworks. Yeah. Yep. This baby has been oversold right there. Right there, completely oversold, and now it's backfiring on them, and they don't know what to do. They can't get it to stop bouncing off of this line no matter what, and now she's going to run again. She's going to be up here, people, $15. That's where she's going, man. She's going there. I'm going to say it because she came over here and she fell from there. She fell fast from there. I show you right here's where it happened. Right there, folks. You can see it on this day where the high was achieved and where they freaking took it after it hit that very highest price right there. I can't even get the damn thing to stop up there. But I'm going to get it right now. There it is. Bam. There's the price. $15. $15, folks. It was $15 down there on that date right there, January the 20th. The price was $15 a share. And how long did it take them to run the price down from $15 a share, January 20th, to that price that you saw right there, to $11.57? How long did it take for that to happen? January 20th to February the 3rd, 2 weeks, people. 2 weeks to go from $11.57 possibly back up to $15 when we start retracing. And we've already started the retracing. You can see how they traced it down and we're retracing it up. Now, of course, when you had this much volume coming in here, accumulating to run it down, well, look how massively and fast it fell. Well, now we don't have the same exact volume, but we've got some pretty strong volume coming in here, shoving this thing off that line right there, off that second line. That's big volume coming in here and accumulating from that date right there. On the date was January the 9th. That's a lot of volume right there from January 9th accumulating at that price where we are exactly right now. January the 9th. Let's go back to it. January the 9th. Where was the price? $8.52 a share for a high. January the 9th. There it is right there. January the 9th. $8.40, $8.52. Okay? I'm showing you that. I hope you appreciate it. A lot of volume coming in here, people. Man, look at it. You can see how much of that volume came in when the price was there in that range right there, $7.92. Look how many people own this damn thing from the sevens all the way up to this price right there to $9.16. That's a lot of volume from 7 to 9.16, people. A lot of volume. And there's more that was accumulated over here. This is a lot of volume here, folks, at this price at $7.39. It's a huge number of volume. Okay? This is a lot of volume accumulating right here now at the very price we're at. Right now, it's been trading sideways there a long time. A long time. But I'm taking it back in history. I want to see, there it is again, there it is again, here it is again. And after this breaks this number, it's going to here, people. 933 is the next place it's going. And from there, we might see a pullback to as little as that right there, 820. From 933 to 820. And then after that, the damn thing takes off even higher up and comes all the way up here to 1158. That'll be perfect for all the people that just got the convertible notes. Yep, all of them that just acquired those convertible notes at $7.27 convertible. They get to cash them in when the price is $12.29. Man, they're almost there already. That looks close. It won't be long after that, though, that they'll be over here, up over that, right there. That's going to be it. 1139. Man, this thing's going to rise fast, folks. I think it's going to rise as rapidly as it dropped because these were massive, very fast drops on massive volume that they worked with to do it. Oh, boy. Now we just got good old institutions, ETFs and index funds and Cathie Wood, all just buying here like crazy. Don't know why. Don't know why Vanguard just increased their portfolio last month on February 13th by 20% almost. I have no idea why Vanguard would do that. But I got news for you, folks. We got a couple minutes left, and we got some green. I'm looking here. This is the last of the day, folks. And all I see is green to the tune of 35,000, and green to the tune of 92,000, and green again to 33,000. One dump of red of 82,000, then green of 33,000, then green of 72,000, and another one at 62,000, and another one at 40,000. And look at the 10-day moving average, and another one right there, a big one, 157,000, and the next one right here at 354. What was that one? Holy cow, 184,000. And what is Shorty going to dump after the next one of 68,000? They're going to come in with a heavy-duty 71,000 share dump. Not. Then the next, a buy of 69,000. And here we come into the closing bell. 1 minute left, and look at that freaking candlestick. And there we come. Oh my gosh, did they just try to splash the close? Let us refresh this page and see. It is 4 o'clock. And we got a crossover of the 45 and 50 day by the 10-day moving average. Look at that gorgeous 10-day crossover right there at the close. Even with a massive dump attempt in the last minute. Screw you, shorts. They dumped 417,000 shares to try to splash the close, while the 10-day crossed up over the 45 and 50 day. Oh, yeah, folks. I get a lot of excitement out of this. Did you see that right before the close? Huge volume. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, man, does that look awesome. Look at all those green candlesticks right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 5, 5 out of 6, 6 out of 7, 7 out of 8, 8 out of 9, 9 out of 10, 10 out of 11, 11 of 12, 11 of 13, 12 of 14, 13 of 15, 14 out of 16, or 13 out of 16 green candlesticks. Oh my God, if you're shorting this, good luck. That's all I got to tell you. Good freaking luck. Oh boy. And you guys know I've been showing you what this $7.30 price means to them. They started the beginning of last week at 7.30, and they ran it up and down and up and down, and they ended last week at 7.30. And then this week they started at 7.30, and they were going to try to end it today at 7.30, and they couldn't. And that's very good for us, folks. Very, very good indeed. SoFi Institutional Ownership, I'm going to click on that right now. And I want to thank all of you who are here on this channel with me. We can see the price closing at 740, and we can go over here. 802 institutions are long positions, 802 now. I think some of them had to sell their long positions to cover their shorts because now, folks, we've only got 37.26% institutional ownership. And I think some of those long positions, but here's the encouraging thing. Look at the month. Here we go. Most recent quarter, institutions long and short is a change of 9.54 to the upside. See that? That's right. They've added almost 10% to their portfolios. Okay? Remember that. Okay? Follow the money. Follow the smarts. Look at the idiots over here, the call versus put volume. Look how many idiots are on this channel. I mean, not on this channel, but on this put wagon on SoFi. You guys are morons. You have no idea what's going on, and I do. I see Vanguard Group here just buying the crap out of shares within the month and adding 20% almost to their portfolio, 19.32%. So I'm not discouraged by seeing someone like Vanguard piling in, and that makes me want to pile in, everybody. And you want to know what else makes me want to pile in? Levin Henley, did you see that right before the close, the huge volume? I did. I was watching it very, very closely, and there were some big numbers being thrown around, and I watched each one of the candlesticks into the close because I wanted to see what was going on very intricately. And I saw a lot of green coming in, and I saw the price doing nothing but going up and up and up and up and up, right into the close, and closing very close to the high of the day today, much closer to the high than the low, because the low today was 725. Am I right? The low today was 725, and look at us closing 6 cents off the high. Beautiful. I love that. Yep. Oh, yeah. There's your close. 740, just 6 cents off the high. We should continue to see the growth tomorrow. Or I should say on Monday. Right, everybody? All right. We got ourselves a good weekend ahead of us. If your birthday's today, happy birthday to you. I know somebody here that was saying it was their birthday today. Congratulations. And for anybody that bought with me on the low today, congratulations. And just look at that chart. And again, congratulations, everyone. I'm going to go close out today's chart by looking at the 5-day. And I want to lastly look at on the 5-day. Instead of this intervals, I want to change this to 1-minute intervals on the 5-day. And I want to see that. Oh, that looks good. Look at that thing so resiliently. Whoa, straight up. Oh, my gosh. They had it down to 737, and she closed at 740. Sorry about your freaking luck, shorty. Sorry about your luck. All right, very good. Like I said, I'd be very pleased to see a close anything above 730 because I know what that means to them. And I know how discouraged they must feel right now. And I'm glad that they feel that way. All right. Now, for the end of the day, I want to just say thank you very much for being here this weekend. And as I said, I am headed off this weekend to sit in this seat right here. And I am going to be watching my Detroit Tigers, right? One day less for Shorty. They may go looking for a nice bridge to live under. Yes. They better get on out there right now and start looking for good space while there's still some there before it all gets snapped up. But that's me, Tiger Stadium. That's my seat that I'll be sitting in and the view I'll have with my glove in hand. And yes, indeed, folks, I will be there with my trusty glove in hand, ladies and gentlemen. There's no doubt about it. That is what I'll be doing, and I'll be sitting there patiently with this glove right there waiting. Sorry I got it zoomed in so much, but there you go. There's my glove, and I'll be catching that ball if it comes my direction, I guarantee you. Oh, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I sure as heck will be doing that. I will do that. Peanuts, popcorn, hot dogs, and beer. These are the rivers that we've been livening to hear. Folks, I got a song on YouTube about baseball. All right, and Xavier, 1 day less for Shorty. That's right, folks. We're getting 1 day closer to our earnings call. Look over here. We only got right now, let's count it down, days left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 days left. On a Monday, before the market opens, people, they're going to break the news to Shorty and go, hey, you screwed yourselves. And they already know it, man. Closing near the high of the day today was awesome. And as usual, we'll generally see SoFi down in after hours immediately after the closing. But as you can see already, folks, that ain't happening no more. Nope. There's no holding it down 1 cent or 2 cents or 3. You can see where it's sitting right now at 408. One of my favorite times. Don't count weekends. Oh, I know. No, I'm just saying how many days we've got now. Goodness gracious sakes alive. Trading days is far fewer, shorts. Trading days is far fewer indeed. You guys, you're in trouble. You got 5, 10. You got 10. Yeah, that's right. If you go right here from where we are right now on the 5th, you've got 5, 10, 15 trading days. And that's it. 15 trading days, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to see an earnings for the second time profitable. Now, in case you didn't know this, SoFi is in the Russell 1000 index. The Russell 1000 index is where most of the Russell index money is. About, I think it's around 90% or 93% of the money in the Russell index is in the Russell 1000, where SoFi is. But when SoFi moves over to the S&P, and I say they're going to do that because all they need is 4 quarters of profitability. And once they do, it's to the moon. After that 4th profitable earnings report, over to the S&P, where all 500 in there have to buy SoFi stock as they move in. All right? You keep that in mind. The S&P 500 index right here, folks, this index that I'm focusing on up here at the top of the screen, that index is where $40 trillion of the market's money is. This index, the Dow, can't hold a candle to that. And the NASDAQ, which is retailers, is only half, $20 million. Over here, and this is 40 trillion. Over here is 20 trillion. $40 trillion in the S&P. This is where the biggest, the best, the biggest whales are. And folks, when they come in here, they're going to be buying SoFi shares, okay? And I honestly believe it will be after that 4th quarter of profitability that they'll be asked to come into the S&P 500. All right? That's what I think. I could be wrong, but I might be right. I got you again. I know you were expecting the usual, but I got some of you with that one, didn't I? Well, I got to keep you on your toes. Here at the end of the day, on the weekend, we got to keep you on your toes. So those of you that are here, I have down below my Venmo and my Cash App. If you feel so inclined to circumvent the YouTube money machine and come directly to Catfish with any contributions, there they can be made down below there at the bottom of the screen. And I appreciate it if you just consider doing that. And if not, that's okay too. But that's what they are. You can see them very clearly right there. And I appreciate it. All right. And that is it for me for the day, pretty much. I believe I'm going to be on my way. And we have, folks, a very good, bright-looking future ahead of us. The SoFi chart that is the long-term chart is looks absolutely me. I think you can't ask for much. Now, granted, it's very gradual and it's been a lot slower than the drop was, this angle of the drop. I understand that. I guess I'm still live. I don't know if I am or not. I had to turn the screen around because it just went off. Am I still up here? I don't know. I see myself. Let me go over here to the YouTube channel on here. Maybe I can find myself. Yes, find myself. You got that? Find yourself, myself. All right. I don't see even a YouTube channel up, so let's go ahead and run it up and see if I'm still on here. It says that we are, but I don't know that we are. Something weird happened with my camera. It just started circling, spinning, and I'm going to see now if I am indeed up and live right now or not. So I'm going to view my channel. I'm going to do that here on this screen, and I see is live. Yep, it shows me live. Yep, it shows me live. Okay. 22 watching, and yeah, I guess you can still hear me. Let me see if I hear myself here.
One trade every week. Hey, millionaire trader Nate Bear here, and today I'm going to
Am I up and running, or am I not? There I am. I see it. Up and running, or am I not? I'm running. Good, 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 good. There I am. Oh, I see your comment just now. Let's have a beer. All right. One day less for Shorty. All right, I agree, Daniel Davis. Sorry I missed out on that. I will happily join you. I'm sorry I missed that. All right, I agree, Daniel Davis. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. I will happily join you. I'm sorry I missed that. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. I'm sorry I missed that. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. I'm sorry I missed that. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. That's why I missed that. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. That's why I missed that. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. That's why I missed that. Yeah, let's do it. Let's have a cold one. Whoa. Gotta turn this volume off. Whoa. Got a bad loop. Gotta turn this volume off. There we go. They're off. And we got to turn this one off now, too. How's your day? Oh, very good. We're getting ready to celebrate. We're getting ready. Listen to this sound. Ah, that's right. Just hold on a second here. And we want you to know that when you're pouring a beer, in case you weren't aware of this already, I'll try to put this where you can see the beer. You want a nickel head on this glass, okay? You don't want to go any more or any less than a nickel head, okay? You want to try to get that nickel. Oh, hold on. There it is. There it is, folks. When you pour it, it needs to look like that. The thickness of a nickel. Let me shrink this down. There it is. That's what you want. What that does is it seals in the gases of the beer. When you see those little bubblies coming up, that seals that in, that nickel head. All right, everybody? Mm-hmm. All right, you got a dream of stuff. Have a good one. Yep. Yep, they only have 2 weeks to bring this down. Let's see what happens. Yep. I don't think they're going to do. It's going to run up, not down. Okay, let me get off the screen right here so you guys can see what we have really going on. All right, we're going to get out of here and get back over here to SoFi, which I would not be surprised at all to see go green in this afternoon. All right, I wouldn't be surprised at all to see that it continues to climb just like it did into the afternoon. Cheers, everybody. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Today, folks, you're looking at April the 5th on the calendar, and we're at April the 29th, folks. Out comes the earnings in pre-market, and you know for sure, I mean, you can almost absolutely just smell of it, that it's going to be a great earnings because they're doing it on the 29th over here. They're going to be doing this on the 29th before earnings comes out, on a Monday before earnings comes out. And it's not going to be like the record that played on the May the 1st earnings call a year ago when they ran the price down from May the 1st all the way down about 30% from May the 1st to May the 4th, okay? From May the 1st, they were able to make this damn price on SoFi from May the 1st in that earnings call, 654. They took it down and they made it fall to 459. 42% drop. Folks, 654 to 459. They're not going to do that this time. It's going to be different this time, okay? It's going to be different. It's going to go up. Why? Second time gap profitable. Second time gap profitable. All right. Haha. Gonna get over here with you. There we go. Cheers, 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 cheers. I am so glad you're here. I'm glad you're sharing with me a beer. So cheers, cheers, cheers. Oh yeah, everybody. Might as well have some fun here before the weekend. Christian Grimshaw. I like that name. I like that name. Yes, sir. Everybody, cheers to you. Oh, yeah. Hopefully some of you are still here with me while hopefully I'm gonna turn this around because I want to see this thing go up. I just have this very good feeling about it rising here. Something tells me it's getting ready to go pippity poppity poop, and that's going to go right up through the roof. I don't know why, but I just have this instinctive feeling that this thing is just, man, that closing just looks so dynamic and so good and so powerful and such a nice run up there. Man, what's your take on GCT now, Big Fish? I love it. I think that thing is just a rocket ship, man. Still continuing to look very, very, very strong on every single takedown attempt. I think they've had a terrible time taking this thing down, and it's gone from the $8 range to where we are now, and there's no way to lose money on it. At this stage of the game, from 8 to where we are right there at 34.75, there's no way to lose money on it, including the fact that Danny Dimes, he actually sold it before it got to that number there. He sold it in here. It hit that. Then I sold it, dropped back here. We bought it again. It made another run. I sold it again here. And then the damn thing dropped down here, and I bought it down at this bottom right here again in the 33s. And now she's starting to climb again. And I think she's going to keep going. So I like this stock. I really do. I do a lot. Yep, I like the volume too. I like the volume. If you go back here and look at this historical data and you take a look at the volume where it used to be, all these days down in the hundreds of thousands, 300,000, 400,000, 200,000, 285. That was low volume, 279, 258, very low volumes. And now, whoa, look out. We got interested parties, 4 million. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. She looks good. Little pullback and off she goes. But SoFi's the one, folks, that everybody wants. I'll play a little Van Halen for you. Everybody wants so. Everybody needs so. Everybody wants so. Everybody needs so. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, I'm just sharing in a beer with you guys and hopefully to see a nice little tingy tong make a nice little run on this. I've got some other stocks that I've been asking you to keep an eye on, buy along with me in and out of, and I'm glad that we've been able to make a lot of money on these over the few days we've been here. And as always, I want to thank each and every one of you being here with me. I'm going to get back over here, and when I see that change on the price, I'll jump back over. But I just want to say how much I appreciate each one of you that spends a lot of time on this channel. I know you do. And many of you made a lot of contributions today, and I thank you very much. The ones that even came in and paid me directly on my Cash App. Thank you. Thank you so much. And it's let me show you how encouraging this is. Early celebration for SoFi earnings. Yes. Folks, I want you to see something here. Okay. This is YouTube I'm pulling up right here. Take a look at this action here on YouTube on my channel here. I'm going to go over here to my YouTube studio and take a look, folks. And by the way, when I'm not running my software on here, we're up to 1,975, about to break over 2,000 subscribers, folks. We just hit 1,000 maybe 4 months ago. And man, look at that increase. And I want you to see what happened today. Okay, I want you to see that if you look over the last few streams, I've been averaging, and today, folks, I had on this last stream 3,600 views today on the first one I put up before I got disconnected. 3,600, folks, in one day. No wonder the increase in the last 29 days has been a 269 increase in subscribers over the last 28 days. And a part of it is because of you people hitting the like button so much and being so friendly. And I appreciate that very much. I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. My monthly roundup, it says, is over here. And I don't know what they're going to show me about in my roundup, but I guess I'll click on it and see what it says. YouTube Creator Roundup. Oh, no, I don't need to do that. I don't need to do that, I don't think. No, I don't. Bye-bye. But I am very encouraged by what I'm seeing here on this channel's growth, and to see today that we had 3,600 views on this channel is absolutely phenomenal. Okay. And that has been what's starting to happen here is we're getting out to more people. We're reaching more and more people with this channel, okay? And over the last 28 days, I've had an 89% increase in subscribers. Yep, all right. A change in subscribers compared to your typical performance, 89 more than usual subscribers, okay? And that is, again, and you can see I actually went from 3,045 right over here. I want you to see that just recently up to a new record high, 3,252 yesterday. All right, that was a high yesterday of 3,252. And today, look at how many views in the last 48 hours. 7,659 folks were reaching out there and we're touching people on this channel. There's a lot of people that are coming over here and learning about this stock that might influence them into buying. And it's because of your help, everyone. So I wanted you to see that. And it's just amazing to see that. And the last thing I'm going to show you here is what is called, when you click on this, it's called impressions. And impressions, folks, meaning how many times my channel's been shown to other people. If you look over here at impressions, you can see that in the last, here it is right here, in the last 90 days, almost 800,000 people have seen this channel over the last 90 days. And folks, or they've been shown this channel. And I'm telling you, folks, that is a bunch of folks. I want to thank you for that revenue right there that you've helped me generate over this 90 days too. That's very, very helpful. Keeps my wife a little bit happier. And folks, we're having climbs. We're climbing, and this channel is getting bigger and bigger, and all over the world, growing all over the world. When you look at the geography, as I said earlier, it's absolutely fascinating to me to see that people are listening to me, and you can see the numbers of the people over there on the right in each one of these other countries. And you can see in the United Kingdom, there's 6,900. Canada, we've got a whole bunch there. 1,200 in the Netherlands. Hong Kong, 587. You know, it's just amazing to me to look at these. And actually, Hong Kong is 687. Germany, 520. Singapore, 482. It is amazing, folks. These countries and the volume levels, okay? And I'm just amazed. Israel, 388 folks. Denmark, 309. India, 286. All these people wanting to hear about what? SoFi, folks, not me. It's all about SoFi that they're listening to. And they're all over the world. Sweden and Spain and Finland and the United Arab Emirates and Uzbekistan and Ireland and Australia and Greece and Belgium and on and on and on, folks. Poland, South Korea, 94 people the last... Folks, Pakistan, Antigua, Philippines, Norway, Mexico, South Africa, Portugal, Switzerland, France, Russia, Trinidad, Cayman Islands, Malaysia, all over the globe, people. It is insane. Italy, Bangladesh, Dominica, Romania, Palestine, Saudi Arabia, Austria, Cyprus, Lithuania, Turkey, New Zealand, Albania, Puerto Rico, Jordan, Chechnya, and Thailand, and it keeps building every single day to more and more countries. Isn't that insane? Wow. And I owe it to you guys. All right. It's all of your likes and your help and your donations and your contributions. I owe it to you guys. All right. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate that. And I just wanted to close out with that so you can see how much I do appreciate it for you guys that are helping this channel grow like in such a way. And it's because of you. And so there you go. There's the thanks. There's the thank you for being a friend. Okay. Thank you for being a friend to Catfish Tyler. All right. I want to say thank you from the depths of my heart. All right. There you go. And you guys deserve the toast. You guys and gals that stick it out with me. Ascension 191, does your wife know you're spending your revenue on SoFi stock? She knows. Yeah. No, I actually bought her, someone said buy her some flowers, and if you go out and look, I'll show you. I have to do a little snapshot of what I've got. So thank you for your contribution, Panic, for my wife for her spring flowers. I let you know how much I appreciate that, Panic. And I am very, very grateful, as always, to anyone who here is making contributions on this channel to help us keep a happy family, if you will. And that's fair. Yes, many people want me to buy wine for my wife, and they've donated and contributed, asking me to just buy my wife some wine, because, she's a connoisseur of wine, and I've done that as well. So this is the things that it turns into. What you donate, it goes to my wifey poo. Yeah, yep, smart of me be doing such things with some of the money that you've sent my way, all right? Because she's the one that's sacrificing, so she gets the reward, okay? It's as simple as that. She gives up my time to all of you people that I do every day. You've seen how diligent I am about this. I'm as dedicated a person to SoFi as anybody will ever meet. And Anthony Noto should put me to work. Anthony, I'm here. Give me a call, all right? Give me a call, Anthony. I'm here. You can find me, Tyler Self. TYLERSELPH. I bet you if you Google search me right now, and let's just put my name in here and see what happens if I put my name in here. GOOGLE. Google searching. And we're going to go over here and we're going to put my name now. Hold on a second. Let's type this. See what happens. LOL. He should give you a call. I know he should. He should. Let's see. TYLERSELPH. Tyler Self. And let's just do a search just for the heck of it. See if I show up anywhere. Well, that's me right there. One up. That's me on Spotify. Bam, right there. Third one and I'm on Spotify. And Tyler Self, and there it is. There's another one. That one lives in Jacksonville, but that's me on Apple Music. That's me on Apple Music right there. Another one of mine. Catfish Tyler, look at that. Oh, yeah. I think it would be very easy for anyone to find me that wanted to. Very easy. Look at that. How to pour the perfect black and tan. 45,000 views of that video, folks. Holy smokes. And there I am. There I am. Catfish Tyler in my pawn shop. I'm in the #1 spot on LinkedIn, I guess. Wow. Pretty crazy. There's me and my beautiful wife, Cheryl Marie, right there. Yes, sirree. Yep. That's moi. So pretty easy to see that I have, and this is my music on SoundCloud as well. So I'm on every platform in the world for music, folk. I sure am. And under YouTube, Catfish Tyler, Singing Stock Guru. Somehow, my name is there by the song "Thank You, Lord" I have on YouTube. And that is a very, very cool video right there, and a very cool artist in that's highlighted in that video. She's young and she's unbelievable, and her life story is insane. And then there's my TikTok channel right there, Catfish Tyler TikTok, played that way. One of my songs that's on TikTok right there. All right, so that's what happens if you search for me on Google. You'll find I'm all over that, and I do not have the top 10 Instagram because I don't do any Instagram at all. And that's not me on LinkedIn, but from there on down, you're talking me. And so that's pretty cool to see that. People could easily find me. And there you go. Not that matters all that much. I'm just watching now, having my last little bit of beer here with you, folks. Cheers to each and every one of you. Yes, indeed. Tyler for SoFi spokesperson. You're darn right, but I have to tell you, Anthony Noto, he does a pretty good job himself, I think. Anthony Noto, man, he come out, and I thought when it was interesting during this last interview with our guy on Motley Fool, Jim Cramer, Anthony Noto at one point was speaking, and Jim Cramer tried to make a comment like, so that means you took him to, he said, oh, no, hold on, I'm not done. He said, let me finish what I was saying, and then I'll address what you just said. But then he went right on forward, and I was, oh, man, I love that about the guy. Here's the big bully Jim Cramer trying to shove him around, and man, he just, no, I'm not done here yet. Don't mind you asking that question, and I'll address that, but I'm going to finish my point. I'm not going to be stifled. And he went forward with what he was going to say, and he finished it. And I say, cheers to you, Anthony Noto, for doing that. Yep. YZ here. Hello. LOL. He should give you a call. Yes, indeed. Well, folks, I'm getting ready to end this here song today with a song. I'm going to end today with a song. All right. I'm going to end with a song. Okay. Gonna end you with a song. Well, we have to make a shitload of money. We got to make a shitload today. We have to make a shitload of money, 'cause we've a shitload of bills we got to pay. We go to work and some big jerk, he tells us what to do. He doesn't give a damn what's going on with me or you. He tells you that your house will soon be getting cut. You can't afford insurance anymore, oh well, so what? So we have to make a shitload of money. We have to make a shitload today. We have to make a shitload of money, 'cause we've a shitload of bills we got to pay. And someday after making all that money from our work, we'll walk into the office of the guy who's such a jerk and hand our resignation in the reach we quit today. No, not a word, just flip the bird and turn and walk away. And when we do it, holy cow, our friends will say, really? Wow. And we all can, friends, but just for now, we have to make a shit load of money. All right. There you go. There you go. A little song for you guys before we turn and leave. And usually when I start singing, the price goes up. So we're looking at the screen right now. You can see it's at 740. I'm going to refresh the screen and see if it's risen yet. Yeah, I'm just playing a little music for you. Playing a little music for you. Why not? We can turn it into the last moment of music, and then we're going to turn it back around, and we'll see it back to 740 or higher. And that's a good little song for you. I hope you liked it. Some people call me the space cowboy. Some calls me the gangster of love. Some people call me Maurice, because I speak in the pompous of love. The people talk about me, baby, say I'm doing you wrong, doing you wrong. But don't worry, no, don't worry now, mama, cause I'm right here at home. Because I'm a picker, I'm a runner, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. Playing my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight soaker, and sure don't wanna hurt no one. Woo. Oh. You're the cutest thing that I ever did see. I really love your peaches, I wanna shake your tree. Love you all the time. Ooh, baby, so show you look at the time. Cause I'm a picker, I'm a girl, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. Play my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight soaker. Sure don't wanna hurt no one. Ooh, yeah. There you go. Gonna wrap things up with that song for you. I hope you liked it. Oh yeah, I have a lot of original songs. Go check them out, guys, online if you want to. I am not going to keep here playing all night long, though. I got some things I got to do. Ow! 1, 2, 3. I'm not going to do it. I got to cut on out of here, folks. That one would be a song you can look up called Ain't Got Nothing New. All right, everybody. Time to go catch me a baseball at the baseball park tomorrow. Thank you for being here with me while we finish off this last beer. I know I'm not talking about SoFi right now, but I'm tying out. I'm ending the day. We're winding things down now. Winding things down. We got to shift gears, everybody. Put my guitar over here and make sure it doesn't fall. And shift gears and get ready to get over to that ballpark. Go over and watch them Tigers play and see if they can defeat the Oakland Athletics. And I'm going to be ready for them. Going to be ready to play. I'm going to have Put me in, coach. Oh, yeah. Cheers, everyone. We're talking baseball because I'm going to be sitting right here in this stadium tomorrow, right here in this seat tomorrow. That is where I will be, right there. You can see the seat I will be sitting in. Oh, yeah. Looking forward to it, watching my Tigers playing that Oakland Athletics. Oh, yeah. Well, we done. Thank you again. And you can see now this beer is completely virtually gone, so we got to call it a day. And thank you for sticking around with me into this late hour, everybody. And it's always fun with you guys here. I hope you have a safe weekend. I hope you have a prosperous trading career. I hope that you have good health. And most of all, I hope you're surrounded with love. That's my heart. You know, I have a crazy looking heart. It sort of looks like an owl. That's my love. That's my love. That's my love. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, everybody. Cheers. Be good. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. It's been fun, and it's been real, and it has been real fun. Bye-bye.